Alright, so it's Rookie Repairs again, back at it again. And what we're replacing is the upper hose that connects to the radiator and to the throttle body. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And thank you for watching. So what we're going to replace is the upper hose that connects to the throttle body and the radiator. All you have to do is remove the air intake, which is just 2 clamps are holding it, this one and this one down here. And then there's with your flat screwdriver, go ahead and loosen this part, this port right here. And also there's another one up there, that was a size 8. Let's go ahead and remove it. I just pull it out from here with the pliers. This little lock right here, just remove the air intake. I noticed that this is leaking, this part right here. All I do is just move it a little, and you can see it's all corroded right here. We're replacing this hose. Goes right here, right here. This little part might be broken right here, or it's leaking. This one connects to the throttle body, which is this one right here. This one right here. Just gotta remove the throttle body right here. Alright, so that's what we're doing today. So I was not planning to record this, but why not? Someone might have the same problem. So with your pliers, just go ahead and pull this out. This lock right here. And the one holding the radiator, which is right here. And there's a small one that connects to the throttle body. Just right there. Alright, so make sure you have a bucket underneath, so you don't have all the coolant just floating out there, spilling. So make sure when you remove this, you haven't removed the car, so it's at a cold engine. Just go ahead and remove this one first, the one that connects to the radiator. Alright, as you can see, we have limited space here. Just go ahead and remove this. All you have to do is lift it up. So after you lift it up, you just have to wiggle it side to side. As you can see, this right here, this was the part that was not letting it come up. But once you put it back, make sure this one goes back in there. This part right here. Alright, so as you can see, now we have more space. We have our pliers right here. And pull this out. Alright, just go ahead and do that now. You have a good grip. Just go ahead and pull it backwards. After that, just go ahead and twist it. Twist and pull back. As I mentioned, make sure you have your bucket underneath. So the next one we have to remove is the one at the top. This one right here. So you have a good grip, just go ahead and pull it backwards. There you have it. Same thing, just wiggle it, pull it backwards. So here you have it, here's the part. As you can see right here, this whole part is attached to it. I was hoping if I could just replace this part. But the looks of it is it's attached to this part. It's attached here. And it's sell for $24.99, so why not? Comes with the whole assembly. This hose right here, these two hoses, and this small one right here. So the problem is on this one, it's leaking from here. Alright, let's go disconnect from the throttle body now. It's the last one to remove. Alright, let's go to remove that one. Just locate it down there. Alright, so the last one to pull out is this one. This little sucker right here. Go ahead and grab the pliers. Spread my freeze off. So all I did was poke my flat head screwdriver in there. Just force it out, push it backwards. Sucker is out. Go ahead and pull it out. Make sure you don't lose that little lock. You need to reinstall it with the new one. Just remember where it goes. It just goes underneath, right here. So just remove this part to reinstall it with the new one. Just pull it out. This is the part we're reinstalling. Made in USA. Alright, so let me show you the original part. So what I noticed from the original is that it was leaking from right here. This little part right here. I'll show you it had a crack. I don't know if you're able to see that. Right there. See that? It's hard to see, but the crack, well, basically it was leaking from here. Alright, let's go and reinstall the new one. So here's the new one. This little small one, hose right here. Just run it through under here. Where's the battery? The positive terminal. Just go underneath. Go around. It should pop out. As you can see, it's popping out right here. It's right there. You can see it moving. It's right there. Just gonna pull it out. Alright, so as I was trying to adjust my camera, so for a better view, I broke my camera holder, which now I can't record. I was just trying to get a better view, but this whole thing collapsed. It broke, so now it's going to be harder to record. But just make sure this goes all the way in. As you can see, it's all the way in now. I wasn't able to record it, but just make sure it goes all the way in. Now let's get this part, the top one. This one right here. Same thing with your pliers. like this. And this one, the one that connects to the radiator. All right, let's do the top one first. Make sure it goes all the way in. Actually, it won't go backwards because the tape is in the way. Just go ahead and rip that off. So there's the tape removed. So there you have it. I'm gonna try to pull it backwards a little bit. All right, after you lock it, that's it. Let's go ahead and put the throttle body back in. So let me show you this before. The old one was cracked, as you saw. So we're gonna try to wipe this down, try to clean it. So it'll look nice and clean. As you can see, it's all corroded. All right, let's try to clean that as much as we can. So since we have the throttle body out, just go ahead and clean it. I went ahead and spray already. And use a towel to wipe it down. Alright, just go ahead and reinstall the throttle body. So there's 4 bolts holding it. It's a 10mm. Alright, let's go and reinstall it. So there's just 4 bolts holding this throttle body. Just go ahead and hand tighten it first. Last one, the bottom down here. Go ahead and tighten it with your ratchet. I'll use my impact power tool. Everything's back in. We replaced this. Hopefully we don't have the leak no more that caused this leak from right here. Alright, so go ahead and put your air intake back. The 4 bolts that holds the throttle body and this part right here. Just go ahead and put that back. And the clips that's holding your throttle body, there's just 2. It's this one And this one, yeah, that's about it. Alright, so there's no more leak. Before, as you saw, the old one was cracked right here. It's cracked right here, but we no longer have the leak. Alright, so that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.